Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice.
Today I had a good day at the market. So if you see like around 63% profit and 406 dollars on profit. And overall I'm still on a loss like 58% loss on 453. Yeah, yesterday I was holding put side and the call side calendar spreads. So if you see three SPY calendar spreads, I was holding at $90, average $90. Similarly on the put side also I was holding on the average $90. And morning I sold the put calendar spreads of SPY at 94 on a $4 profit, so around $12 profit I sold. And the call side, whatever short I have short in the calendar spread, I have bought those on 98. So now my cost became $1.88 average for the call side, and I sold all the three at 190. So 2 cents and it's 6 cents profit. So it's like $6 profit, $18 profit. Then I had one day trade pending, so I just took some risk. For today's expiry Tesla three Tesla puts at 182, strike price 182.50, and it is expiring today at an average price of 166. So I put around 498.3, and again I had some extra money, so I bought again when it was down. I bought it for 162. So total I have four put option. And yeah, Tesla went down after some time, so I was able to sell it at a profit. So 270 strike, 270 stop price. I put stop limit price 255, and it got sold at 1080. So I was all the four shares was sold at 270. So I made a profit of around 100 to $105 per share per option. So for around 400. So that is the reason like I was able to recover some of my initial investment. Like right now I am on 1046, and with that money, what I did is like I bought two Tesla debit calendar spreads on the call side and the put side. So on the call side, now if you see when the market closed at 4, it is like $60 loss on the call side, and the put side it's a profit of $8. And the strike price is 165. I bought it for 235. Two options, two spreads, and currently it is 239. And Tesla's current price is 178.54. Yeah, Tesla went down. Similarly on the call side also, I bought two at 225. Now it is 195. So I'm on a loss of around $30. So $60. So let's see on Monday what happens.